Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about minimization of Boolean expression using Boolean laws. So in your board exam, this is one of the important question which will be asked. You will be given a Boolean expression. They will ask you to minimize it to the minimum level. So using Boolean laws, you're going to reduce it to the minimum level. So you're going to see how to do that in this video. Now you got an algebraic method, okay, of solving it. So you got a question here. You can see that right, a b dash c d dash plus a b dash c d plus a b c d dash plus a b c d. Okay, this is the expression what you got. Now by seeing it, you can notice that the first two term a b c a b dash c is being repeated, okay, in this step, and d dash and d is that is only variable which is not identical. Remaining three are identical. Same way here you can see ABC and ABC is identical, and D dash is unidentical. Now you are going to use a law here. Okay. So here you can see A B dash C is been taken out, and you can write D plus D dash inside the parenthesis. So that means you are going to multiply. You are making the two first term and second term into one. Okay, and you are going to write d plus d dash in bracket. So when you multiply this, you will get that earlier form. Okay, so you will get a b dash c d, that will be the first, that is the second term here, and then a b dash c d dash, that is the, when you multiply it, you will get the first term, right? So you are done that. Same way, similarly, third and fourth can be combined, okay, into one. So abc is taken out, and d plus d dash has been written within bracket. So when you multiply it, you will get the previous two terms. Okay. Now d plus d dash, by using the complementarity law, it becomes 1. So a b dash c dot 1. Okay. So d plus d dash becomes 1 by complementarity law. Either you write the complementarity law, the name of the law, or you write the law itself, d plus d dash equal to 1. Okay. So this is the proof what you got. So based on this, you have got this, right? So you have to prove it. This is very important. You have to specify the either the law, or you have to specify the name of the law at least, to get the maximum marks, right? Now the similarly you got the second term also, d plus d dash becomes 1. So you are going to got you got this term now. Okay, b plus b d b c b c a b c dot 1. Okay, now again you can see a and c is, you can see that a b dash c, it is a dot 1 is nothing but a, right? So you got that term. You can write it as a separate step also. Okay, so a dot 1 is nothing but a. Okay, so you got that. Now you can see this term a c is identical, and b dash is non identical, right? It is not identical. So you are taken a c outside, and then b dash. Okay, so same rule here. Okay, same complementarity law, you got that statement. So ac dot 1. Okay, now again a dot 1 equal to a, so you will get ac. Okay, so that is the next step. So this is the minimized form of the Boolean expression. Okay, you cannot further minimize the whole expression is been minimized to this level. Beyond this, you cannot minimize. So this will be the final answer, okay, for the question, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to try out these exercise. Okay, the first one is reduce the expression or minimize the expression, whichever way they want, they'll ask you. Okay, so reduce the expression x dash the whole dash plus x dash plus xy. So here you can use the De Morgan's theorem, and then you can separate it, x dash plus y dash, and then you can see that x dash has been common and take it out, and then you can use the remaining laws and minimize it. Second way, again you got AB, minimize AB plus A C whole dash plus A B dash C into AB plus C. Okay, so these terms can be multiplied, and you can see that AB is repeated. You can remove that, and you can see De Morgan's theorem. You can separate it and then try to minimize it, and then finally reduce x dash y dash z dash plus x dash y z dash. Okay, x y dash z z dash plus x, y, z dash. So here, not only the first two variables, you can also see the remaining variables. You can see here, x dash, z dash is common here, right? Y dash and y is different. Otherwise, x dash and z dash is identical. So you can take it out and you can remove that. Same way, x, z dash is identical and you can take. So it is not necessary that you should take only the first two variables. You can take 1 and 3 or 2 or 3, and then you can separate it and minimize. So this is how you can solve it, and try to do that in your notebook, right? I hope you understood this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.